we're about to meet up with my boy Ganjo. He's at Illinois. I already told you guys in the earlier clip, but yeah, we're just about to pull up right now and see what's up. Alright guys, guess who's here? Ganjo!
Mr. Group out here. We chilling, we vibing right now.
Yeah.
Shout out to my fucking YouTube channel, bro.
Yep, shout out to his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him.
It's the Royal Gang.
Yep, I'll link his channel down in the description. You already know. Or, I mean, when are you gonna post a vlog? So.
Starting this January, bro. That's when I just be.
He doesn't speak up.
It's gonna be lit. So you gotta have that microphone soon.
I know. I'm saying that.
But he's just starting his vlog, so it's just gonna be lit soon. It's just he's just getting the work and the feeling of how YouTube shit works. So I'll let you guys know, bro.
If you guys like video games, go to Daniel's channel.
Look,
Yeah.
download ROS Rules of Survival on your app store.
Daniel,
Bro.
hold on screen.
That shit is fucking lit, bro. What are you looking at, bro? My fucking eyeball?
That unibrow, bro.
Bro, I'll tell you, bro, my fucking channel gonna be lit. It's gonna be a lot of prank, a lot of fucking dumb shit that's gonna happen.
When's the next video then?
I'm telling you, it's starting at January. I gotta get my whole...
Are you going to record on Friday?
My court.
Record on Friday.
No, not this Friday. I'm just big chilling with the homies.
So let
Sal.
Sal's people know what we're doing Friday.
Huh?
Let them know what we're doing.
So this Friday coming up, we're just gonna create this
That guy thinks he's cool.
dope ass video, starting from probably 9 or early in the morning, until at the end of the.
We gotta start at 8, bro. I gotta be out by like.
My buddy
7:30.
over here, his mama thinks that he's working, so he has to leave the house at fucking 8. So, but I'm just letting you guys know, this Friday we're gonna be making videos, some lit ass video. That new post gonna pop up probably during the weekend, cause they're gonna be sort of editing shit, making it look all nice for you guys to be entertained and shit. So check that out. It's coming soon, probably this weekend, bro. This Friday we're gonna make a lit ass video.
It'll be out probably Saturday or Sunday. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay fucking tuned. Dabbing all the hoes.
Yeah. Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm back. Alright, what's good you guys? Me and Joe are in the store, or in the mall now. We're just walking around so we can get into. This is kind of like weird. It's my first time kind of vlogging in public like this, in the mall, whatever. But yeah. See you guys in the next clip. Alright, me and Joe are in the store right now. It's just a bunch of like just knickknacks and stuff and snacks. Just a bunch of snacks. Yeah. And then there's like pop dolls over there. And just a bunch of little stuff called Phi. And it's a store in the Concord Mall. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say, guys, but I don't know.
Oh, Star-Lord's jacket. This is dope, you guys. I want this.
I don't know,
That's
guys.
Deadpool's.
You guys think that's dope? Deadpool? Like Deadpool jacket? Or is it Deadpool?
Yeah, it's Deadpool.
Yeah, it's Deadpool.
Bro, again, dude, this is Deadpool, that's Star-Lord.
And then this is Guardians of the Galaxy. This is
And,
Star-Lord's jacket.
This is dope. I look-key want this. But like, I know I'd never wear if I bought it.
No, I probably won't wear it either.
Maybe this if I bought it.
Yeah, I can see myself maybe wearing that.
It's way too much though. Like that's
Maybe for like around the house, like.
yeah, like around the house.
Guys, this is so dope. They have the Avatar Complete series. I like we want to buy this, but it's too expensive for me right now. I mean, not really, but yeah. It's dope, but I don't feel like spending money on it right now. Maybe in the future. But I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you think I should have bought it. Are you guys Avatar fans? Because I am. But yeah.
Should we get the headset just right
Let me
now?
look at my bank account.
Bro, it's
I know I
$199.
could.
So it's $199, bro. Just get. It's only $14, but only.
Shoes for 400.
Bro,
Like,
I told you what to do for the video. Just buy them online and return them.
no, not for like the actual shoes I actually want to keep.
Okay, but only $199. So you'll get that back next check, and like 3 times back.
Yeah, but then like I have to pay for my car and like that just
It's all good, bro. Just get it real quick. Just buy your
I
headset.
have 6,000 in my account.
Huh? Okay, see, he has money, guys. So I'll just get the headset right now, and then we can go to Best Buy. Yeah, he doesn't know. He's getting all red because he's contemplating right now. So I'll just pick the headset up. Alright, now let's walk to checkout.
I'm buying the Xbox.
You guys, if he buys that, then he's buying the Xbox for sure. If he walks out the door with this, then he's for sure getting the Xbox. Alright, so let's go check out now. Or do you want one of these ones? Actually, no, just stick with that one. Just stick with that one. Alright, let's go. Yeah, it's 14. Read the description though. You know how like it is at our job, like things are in wrong spots. So not even $300.
No, okay.
It's not even
I'll
$300.
buy one in like a month.
No, bro, right now. Let's go right now.
Okay.
This is gonna be a good video if you actually buy it. I can't believe what Joe made me buy. And in the box I made him like make it like question mark. Good video, bro. Mystery. Everyone's gonna be like, what did he buy? Zooms in.
And also my cousin's gonna be mad at me because I'm buying a Xbox and then saying that PS4 because he has a PS4.
Okay, and why can't you buy both? Ask one for a new camera for your birthday. So you need hold on. So you need this type of camera when we go out. It is like something like this. Like this is what I have. You can get something like this.
We're not going to LA for like another like few months.
Okay. You said winter break. Because I do get a winter break. I get a winter break.
Alright, yeah.
Guys, look at him. He's like, oh my god. Alright guys, we'll meet you guys at GameStop. Say bye, Sal.
Alright guys, it's a few days later. I didn't get the chance to film an outro for this vlog the day of. But yeah. I lost the footage of when me and Joe went to go buy the Xbox at GameStop. I don't know how I lost it. This is it, proof. Right here, all set up. And the box right there. Controller. So yeah, there's the proof. I actually bought the Xbox. Joe actually convinced me to buy one. I plan on playing Fortnite and stuff on it. I still need to download it, but yeah, I don't know guys. Just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you. It's your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.